Hello friends, in this video I will discuss about the topic normal forms in DBMS. What is a normal form? We are aware that we use relational database design to store and retrieve data from the database. Relational database design allows us to store information in the form of tables. The goal of the design is to store information without much redundancy and yet retrieve data easily from the database. So a relational database design without redundancy within relations or set of relation is said to be in a normal form. Redundancy means repetition of data. Repetition of data causes unnecessary errors in the retrieving and updating data in the database. So this goal is accomplished by using normal forms. We have to design our database schemas in any one of the appropriate normal forms to avoid redundancy in the database. So let us see an example of a college database. As you can see, a college is usually divided into number of buildings. They are usually named as blocks. Each block contains some number of departments. So we will design a database or a small table for one department in the college. So a department comprises of members as well as name and building and budget. So this is the information I want to store regarding the department. The ID of the member of the department, name of the member, salary of the member, the department name, the building and the budget. Now let us see how this table looks like. So this is the department table that is created. Now if you can see, there are some 9 values that are entered for all the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6 attributes of this department relation. Okay, each attribute called ID, name, salary, D name that is department name, block and budget is given 9 values. If you carefully look at this table, we have some repeated values in the database. Repeated values as such, for the department ID 1001 and 1002, the values of department name, block and budget are repeated. Same way for 1008 also the values of D name, block and budget are repeated. And also for 1003 as well as 1007 the department name, block and budget are repeated. So we can say that there is redundant data in the table. Now what happens if we have redundant data in the table? Without repeating this data, we cannot store values of all these members. So what is the disadvantage of having redundant data? If you have redundant data in the table, we get 3 types of anomalies. Anomalies are 3 types of errors. These errors are insertion anomaly, deletion anomaly and updation anomaly. So we'll see how they are affecting our database one by one. What do you mean by insertion anomaly? Insertion anomaly is when you are trying to insert new data into the database, there is kind of anomaly that is occurring. For example, if I am trying to insert, imagine that in real time there is one new employee or there is one new faculty that has joined into the college, but he has not been assigned any department as such. But we have to enter the details of the employee because he has a name and some salary. So that is the ID given to the employee and some name, some random name and some salary. Because he is not yet given any department, I am just giving null values for the other 3. So what I did was, because there is no department name and there is no, obviously there is no block name because we don't know where he belongs to, I have created one row with empty department name and empty block name and with budget as 0. So let us see how the table looks like now. You can see that we got some null values here. Okay, so in a real-time database, having null values in the database is not recommended, because when we are trying to join this table with some other table, all the null values will be multiplied in number. Okay, so this anomaly or this kind of unwanted data in your table becomes a insertion anomaly. Now let us see what is a update anomaly. Update is when you want to update the values of a table. Now imagine that this person called Ram is changed or transferred to a new department called IT. Okay, so me being a naive user, imagine that I am a naive user and I don't know about the block name and the budget. So I just want to change the person Ram from CSE to IT. So I will write a command like this to update. I will write a command like this where I am setting the department name to IT wherever it finds the name as Ram. That's all. Because I don't know the working of the database or I don't know about the anomalies. I am a naive user, so I have just changed the department name of Ram to IT. Okay, now what happens? Now you can see that Ram's department is changed from CSE to IT, but there is an error in the database. What is that error? Erroneous data or anomaly in the database. The anomaly is the budget. Budget for IT is actually 80,000, but I have not mentioned it in my query that the budget also has to change to 80,000 but not 90,000 because I did not know about the budget. I don't belong to the department budget. Okay, so this becomes an update anomaly. All these anomalies are occurring due to the redundant data in your database. Next, one more anomaly we have to see, that is deletion anomaly. Now what if I delete, for example, imagine that EEE department is merged into ECE department. So I just want to delete whatever is there in EEE. So I just want to delete the department called EEE. So what I'll do, I'll give the command delete from department where d underscore name is equal to EEE. So remember that I am a naive user here. A naive user is somebody who does not know how the database works. He only gives commands or he just goes by the syntax of how to give command and changing the database. That's all. So one row is deleted. Now what happened here? Wherever EEE is there, it got deleted. But the problem is only the department is merged into ECE, but the person who is working in EEE, that is Bharat, is not removed from the college. He is still the employee of the same college. But we have deleted his details as well. We have deleted his ID, we have deleted his name and salary. Now this becomes again an erroneous data. So this kind of anomaly is called as deletion anomaly. In the next video, we will see how to convert our table into a normal form so as to reduce these anomalies in the table. Thank you.